Hey there, this is Todd with Industrial Comfort, and today we're going to make a coffee scoop from this beautiful piece of scrap walnut. So let's go ahead and get started. I've gone ahead and roughed out the piece of walnut. I'm going to measure out roughly 6 inches because when we mount this perpendicularly, and you'll see this a little bit later in the video, I want to make sure that there's enough clearance so that the scoop isn't hitting the bed. The other thing I'm going to do is measure out 2 inches, which will give us an idea where we need to start roughing out the shape for the scoop itself. So we've got our coffee spoon roughed out. What we're now going to do is take this piece of scrap 2x4 and create a jig that's going to hold this rough spoon in place as we mount it to the faceplate perpendicular to the lathe. This will allow us to essentially scoop out the material in here in a uniform fashion that will give it more of a scoop-like appearance. We have the template fabricated, so what I am going to do is wrap a little piece of bike inner tube around the handle just so that we get a little extra purchase. We'll sandwich this in. All right, let's take it out of the mold and see what we got. I am real happy with how this came out. So let's get it over to the sander. We'll clean up some of these edges and we'll treat it with a little walnut oil. All right, let's get some walnut oil on this and we'll call this project a wrap. This was a cool little project. It was challenging because we had to design this little jig in order to bring this project to life. In the end, I'm pretty impressed with how this turned out. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks.